This critter right here is known as the Limousin, also the Limousine or the French Limousin. It is a French breed of beef cattle originating from the west of Massif central area between central and southwestern France, a rather rainy region with harsh climatic conditions and poor granite soil. This lack of natural resources also enabled the region to remain relatively isolated, and the farmers free to develop their cattle with little outside genetic interference for several thousand years. As a result, Limousin cattle evolved into a breed of unusual sturdiness, health, and adaptability. It is a large breed sporting a strong boned frame. Mature Limousin females average between 1,400 and 1,800 pounds, or 635 to 816 kilograms in weight, and around 4.5 feet or 1.37 meters tall at the shoulder, with bulls measuring between 2,000 and 2,800 pounds, or 907 to 1,270 kilograms in weight, and over 5 feet or 1.52 meters tall. The head is small and short with a broad forehead, and the neck is short and stout. The coat color is typically a golden red and lighter in color under the stomach, inside the thighs, and around the eyes and muzzle, as well as the end of the tail. The skin is also free of pigmentation. Occasionally, Limousins with black coats are known to occur, stemming from crossbreeding efforts in the 19th century. During the early times of animal power, Limousin gained a well-earned reputation as work animals. However, with mechanization of agriculture in the 20th century, the numbers started to decline. In the 1960s, there were still more than 250,000 head, but the future of the breed was not clear. It was proposed that it be merged with the other blonde drop breeds of southwestern France. Instead, an international breeders' association was formed, and now the Limousin is a popular beef breed raised throughout 80 countries worldwide.